What's up guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel and I hope your wallet is about to take off and hit the moon and you're getting massive gains. So let's get straight into this video. We have a fire NFT project here that is about to launch a play to earn game. The team is massive and they're about to take off as their hype is already building up, and as you can see the designs are fire. Okay, so before we start the video, obviously I'm not a financial advisor and you should do your own research. So look into this video, collect your notes, and also jump into the Discord to find out how the community is and if you like it there and if you want to invest. So let's get straight into it. So as you can see, the designs are bomb. They have 220 traits and every design, every characteristic looks different. Looks like there are 3 NFT projects in one. Compared to the bot APR Club, which had like 110 designs, it looks different because they just exchanged like the eyes, the glasses, the hat, which is like cool, but it's not something where you look at the different NFTs and you're like, wow, where does this come from? And that's what you see, what you feel if you scroll through their NFTs and their the sneak peeks. It looks just fire, especially this one at the bottom. Looks like a god. That one is about to dominate the metaverse. And the coolest part about it is that these designs will be available on a metaverse game like Sandbox or Decentraland, and you'll be able to walk around with them. So everybody that will see you will think like, whoa, where is this guy from? Looks like they're from a different dimension, especially if you pull this one. So I'm very excited for this product, and let's get straight to the website and what they're about to build. So their project is about to launch in 8 days and 3 hours. So you have plenty of time to grind in the Discord and get your whitelisting spot, because they're currently rolling out their marketing plans. So there's plenty of hype coming to the products. One of their Twitter posts is already going crazy with 1.2k retweets and 1.2k likes, almost 1,000 comments. So they are already getting a lot of traction, and as soon as they roll out like this video, other YouTube partnerships, Twitter promotions, it will get wild. I talked to the team and it will get crazy. So make sure you already get on the Discord and grind so you can really secure that place in the whitelisting spot. So what are they about to launch? So they have 6,666 unique 3D NFTs which look awesome, and they have crazy rarity levels, so they're very versatile. And they also have a play to earn game that they are about to launch. They also plan to launch a Metasphere DAO. So they're gonna take 10 Ethereum out of the mint value to the side, and also they're gonna put 50% of the royalties from OpenSea into a DAO, and the community will be able to decide what they're gonna do with it, which is cool. And they're gonna buy land in the Sandbox metaverse, and you'll be able to also introduce your NFT into the metaverse and walk around with it, which is awesome. They already have like a big team. I think they have like 15 people. Their artists are amazing. As you can see, they have plenty of experience in the gaming industry, 3D animations, and it just looks fire. Look at this, like so realistic, and I really like it. You can also check out the whole team on Twitter. They already have some followers here, even like a LinkedIn account link. So there's somebody behind the project that want to her rug pull, so you can be on the safe side. And they already put like so much effort into these designs, because like I said, look at how detailed they are, and they have over 220 traits, which is a lot of workload. So they put the time into it, and the mint price is 0.1 ETH, which is fair, as other products like C1, they charge like 0.25 per NFT, so it's really expensive, and compared to this one, it's really fair. The story. At the beginning of the universe, everything was very simple. It was a 2D world, a flat world with primitive humans that didn't know which kind of limits and opportunities the universe has to offer. With time, they found out how to create fires, how to do agriculture and make their life easier. And with time, also, the technology rapidly increased, and the complexity of the world as well. After thousands of years, they had to face a new problem, a world that they got to know, which is in the futuristic 3D universe and inhabited by cyborgs. It's so cool to learn more about their story, what they think about the project, where it's heading, and when you click read more, you can learn more about their vision, the back-end story, and if you hold one of their NFTs, you'll be able to write the storyline with the community and decide how it will go. And I think it will be very interesting because it's kind of writing a comic, a film with the community, and write a whole storyline which will be creative, and I think it already started pretty cool. So let's see what we can come up with. So in Q2 2022 they will already launch their play to earn game, which will be massive. It will be fun. There will be the cyborgs that will battle against each other. We don't know yet how it will look like, as they will launch it or launch the sneak peeks with time, so be sure that you join the community on Discord and see how it goes. There's also like the private community for holders, and there you'll be able to get into the DAO and decide what we're going to do with the community treasury and where we're going to invest in, what kind of next projects or foundations we're going to build with that kind of capital. As I already mentioned, we are also entering a metaverse, either it's on the Sandbox, Blocktopia or Decentraland, and that's where all of us will connect. We're gonna build, we're gonna have fun, and it's so cool to meet other members of the community directly in the metaverse, where you're gonna see each other's character, we can play around together, and while we play we can talk about other crypto projects, NFT projects, and I think it's the best way to learn and have fun, right? So they also want to roll out their own tokenomics, so it's a play to earn game. You'll be able to stake and farm these tokens, which is awesome, and it offers endless opportunities. So they will also make sure that the gas fees aren't that high during the launch, and it will be around about $40 to $60, and right now it's even only $100, which is nothing compared to other numbers that we have seen in December 2021, which has been like almost like $300. So it's not that wild, and especially compared to the value which you get through these NFTs, it's an easy decision. So there will also be a minting pass that you can get access to, and it will offer you a free mint of a 3D collection, additional airdrops, blind boxes, and early game access, and a lot of other surprises. So this one is really interesting, and I'm looking forward to acquire one of those. So they've already set it up the foundation with the community building. You can check out the Discord, it's very active, and their social media is already growing fast. So as soon as they have like the successful launch, I'm pretty sure they're going to be one of these bigger projects, as the community is loyal, they're looking forward for the game, and always if a product is building something in the future and people know it will come and they will have access to it if they hold, the floor price will rise with time, so people are not flipping it because they know there's something coming out that will even increase the perceived value. So I think the floor price will not even drop, it will rise with time, especially as more people are getting aware about the project. So as I said, the community will have access to the DAO and will be able to vote, and they will also buy some land in the metaverse, either on Sandbox or Decentraland. It will be awesome. And then we will also have the game released, which will be interesting. So I'm looking forward for that one. So they will obviously work on the game, put some new features in there, and expand their team, as it's already big and they're well connected, and as they get the funds with time, especially after the mint, it will be huge. So as I said, you have so many perks for holding the NFT, and that's why nobody will flip it for some small money. You will get the airdrops, you will have access to the community and the DAO, you will also support a donation for the Good Dollar Foundation for people that are unemployed and inequality worldwide, and you will also have access to the comics, blind boxes, physical prizes, merch, and other things, which is awesome, and special access to Metasphere Metaverse events. Awesome, love it. You can here check out the team again. And that's basically it. They have also some answers that they're going to answer at the bottom. Here's the Q&A. They will also answer all your questions in the Discord. Let me also know in the comments what you think about the project. Give us a like and let us know which other project we should feature and talk about to give you our opinion. I'm definitely bullish for Metasphere. Their roadmap is huge, and these people are also not promising too much, so there are plenty of things that they're working on that they're not ready to talk about, especially like investors and other stuff that will be talked about as soon as it's on paper, and they're sure it will happen. So stay updated in the Discord to get to know the team and also what they're about to launch in the next days. I think there are a couple of things that they will talk about in the future in the next days that I couldn't mention on the video yet. So let's stay in touch. You can find me in the Discord, and see you on the mint date.